National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern White County in southeastern Illinois, north Posey County in southwestern Indiana, west central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Union County in northwestern Kentucky, until 11:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carmi, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Wicked expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Carmi, Norris City, Uniontown, New Haven, and Monty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin and White, and Posey, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union.